Hello everyone and welcome back to my class. This is the third part of our topic nouns singular and plural. Earlier we have known and we have tried to understand the rule number 2 and 3, and in this video we would understand the rule number 4 and 1. So first we would know the rule number 4. We add IES to the nouns that end with Y. Before Y there must be a consonant. Okay, so we have to add IES whenever the nouns are ending with Y, but before Y there must be a consonant, otherwise we cannot add IES. Let us try out some examples. This 4 written is telling us that this is for rule number 4. Singular and plural is written. They all are singular nouns ending with Y. You can see city, CITY, city. And our rule tells us that ending letter Y means we have to add IES in place of Y. But before Y there must be a consonant. T, city, CITY, T is a consonant. That is why we have added IES. Baby, BABY, baby. Babies, BABIES. Before Y, B is a consonant. So we have added BABIES, IES. Here you can see I have not written Y here. Y is driven away. Okay. We have driven Y away. We have dropped Y. We have cut Y. We will not write Y here. And we would write IES in place of Y. Don't write Y here. Fly, FLY, fly. Last letter is Y. And before Y there is a consonant. L is a consonant. That is why FLI. But Y is here. We would not write Y. IES. Only for Y we have to write IES. Same is with candy, lorry, berry, sky. SKY, sky. Y is in the last and before Y there is a consonant K. So for the rule number 4 we would add IES in place of Y. SK, then IES, skies. And we have made all our plural forms in this way. Here are more examples for you. Lady, LADY, lady. Last letter is Y and before Y there is a consonant D. That is why we would add IES. LAD, not Y. IES, ladies. Family, families. Country, countries. Body, bodies. Memory, memories. Fly, flies. Study, studies. Poppy, poppies. Butterfly, butterflies. Last letter is Y, but before Y there must be a consonant L. So FLIES, not Y. Only cover Y and add IES. IES. Party, parties. Hobby, hobbies. Granny, grannies. Story, stories. Library, libraries. Beauty, beauties. Lily, lilies. So here we have known that when our nouns are ending with the letter Y and before Y there is a consonant, we would add IES at the last. So before Y there must be a consonant. Okay. So if there is no consonant, then if the noun ends in Y and the letter before the Y is a vowel, not consonant, then if there is vowel before the Y, simply add an S to make the plural, not IES. Because when there is only consonant before Y, we have to add IES. But if there is vowel, before Y there is a vowel, we have to add only S. Okay? So look at these all examples. These are singular nouns and these are plural form of these singular nouns. Ray, RAY, last letter is Y, but before Y, A. A is a vowel, not consonant. When there is Y at the last and before Y there is a vowel, we have to add only S. Tray, T-R-A-Y, tray, Y in the last, and A is a vowel. So T-R-A-Y is trays. Boy, B-O-Y, boy, boy is in the last, Y is in the last, and before Y there is a vowel. So we have to add only S, B-O-Y-S. Donkey, D-O-N-K-E-Y, Y is in the last, and before Y is there any consonant? No, E is a vowel. So we cannot add IES, we cannot, we have to add S only, because before Y there is a vowel, and when before Y there is a consonant, we have to add IES at the last. Toy, T-O-Y, toy, Y is in the last, and before Y there is a vowel O. So we would add only S. So rule number 4 tells us that when our naming word, that is meant our noun, ends with Y in the last and before Y there is a consonant, then we would add IES in place of Y. Okay? And if the noun ends in Y and the letter before Y is a vowel, before Y there is a vowel, we have to add only S to make the plural forms. And I know that you all know what are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are called vowels, and other letters are English alphabet, except these 5 are called consonants. Only A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are vowels. So we have to try and find out that if there is Y in the last and before Y there is a vowel. If there is vowel, then add S. And if before Y there is a consonant, add IES. Students, do you know some words like pants, scissors, shorts and trousers have no word to show their singular form? They do not have any singular form. You can see that lastly S is added here. Pants, scissors S, shorts S, trousers S. They all are in the plural form. They do not have their singular form. This is also to memorize by you. Okay? And some words are there that do not follow some rules. Piano, P-I-A-N-O, piano is ended in letter O, and we know that our rule number 2 tells us piano O, if there is O in the last, add ES. But no, piano does not follow the rule number 2. Piano takes only S in the last to make the plural form, P-I-A-N-O. So these are some other cases, but you have to learn these all cases. Roof, R-O-O-F. Rule number 3 tells us when there is F in the last, add VES in place of F. But no, roof also does not follow this rule number 3. Roof takes only S in the last. Toy, we know that Y is in the last, but before Y there is a vowel. O. O is a vowel. Rule number 4. So S. Ox, O-X, ox. Last letter is X. And the rule number 2 tells us that if there is X in the last, we have to add ES. But no, we have not added ES. Instead, we have added OXEN, EN, oxen. So these are some other cases we have to learn. Some nouns have the same form in the singular and plural. We have some nouns also that have the same singular and same plural form. No changes. Sheep, deer, moose, aircraft, fish. These words, these all are nouns, and these are the singular nouns and these are the plural nouns. Same. Okay? Some words do not follow any of the 4 rules. We have 4 rules, but some words do not follow any of the 4 rules, any one of the 4 rules, no one. They form their plural by changing the inside vowel or vowels. They change by changing their inside vowels. How? Singular, plural. Man, M-A-N, man means one man. Plural, men, M-E-N. We have changed the vowel A to E. M-E-N. E is a vowel, so M-E-N, men, means many. Woman, W-A-M-N, woman, women, W-O-M-E-N. Foot, F-O-O-T, foot, feet, F-E-E-T. So, these type of words change by changing their vowels. Tooth, teeth, child, children, ox, oxen, mouse, mice, goose, geese. So these words you need to learn these all words because they do not follow any rule. They change by changing their inside vowels. You know that what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Okay. And rule number 1 is the very simplest rule of among the 4. Very simplest, that most nouns need an s at the end to become plural. Only add s some words. Okay, like kite, kites, pencil, pencils, comb, combs, toy, toys. And the word toy, you know that last letter is Y and before Y there is a vowel, not consonant. That is why S. Okay. If before Y there is any consonant, add IES. But here is a vowel O. So add S only. Some more examples are here. Bird, birds, jar, jars, truck, trucks, door, doors, roof, roofs, picture, pictures, tree, trees. Okay, hope you have enjoyed my class. Thank you.